Us right now. I'm being joined by Nisha Menon, forensic expert, has 24 years of experience, joining us live from Mumbai. Thank you for joining us here. Now, Nisha Menon, now we were talking about the report, and there is a lot of indication of there are two ligature marks. There are bluish marks which have been found, and we also understand there are many bruises, What does this really mean? Does that mean that there was some kind of a struggle before death?
When we talk about the bruises, which are like blunt force bruises, which have been observed on the upper hand, the lower hand, and as well as the fingers, and there is a scalp injury also towards the backside of the parietal, front parietal. So that indicates that there have been some altercation or struggle, or some hitting sort of thing might have happened, or she might have have been collided with some object. That is because of which the contusions and the blue marks and the bruises have been formed. So all these, since it's a mark which is blue in color, so it indicates that this is an antemortem injury. And specifically when we are talking about the ligature mark which is there at the neck, it clearly indicates a hanging thing, and the bruises at the neck places, the lines are running parallel. It means that whatever ligature has been used, it was like a double sort of thing, might be, I think so, a gym rope or something. So it is like a parallel sort of rope which has been used. So the bruises which generally is found in hanging cases towards the neck area more correlates with the hanging part. But the other part, bruises, which is very categorically observed and mentioned in the postmortem report, indicates a clear indication of a struggle or altercation prior to her death. So that is the indication what we can get from the PM report.